All right, change of base formula with logarithms. Very simple. Log base b of x can be rewritten as a ratio or a fraction of logarithms with any base you want. As long as you take log base c of the argument x and divide it by log base c of the base b, becomes the argument of the denominator. That's the change of base formula, but where do we actually use it? How do we actually use it? The most common way to use it is so that if I have a logarithm like this, log base 2 of 3. Well, a lot of calculators only have two logarithm buttons, common log and natural log. Okay, so it would be nice if I could take a logarithm like this and convert it to common log or natural log. So the most common thing we do is convert a logarithm to common logs or to natural logs so we can put them in the calculator. We can also use natural logs sometimes to solve equations, and it's nice to go the other way when we get our answer as a ratio of natural logs and rewrite it. So anyway, long story short, most common way to use this is to convert to common logs, log 3 over log 2. Okay, you can go to the calculator with that, or I would get the same answer if I did the natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 2. Okay, so I take the argument and make it the argument at the top, take the base and make it the argument of the bottom. Okay, the one thing I'm going to warn you about is a lot of students make mistakes and they confuse change of base formula with the second log property that says if I have a logarithm, log base b of x minus log base b of y, I can rewrite them as log base b of x over y. Okay, and that's true, but I want you to see the difference in the division. This division is only inside the argument. It's x over y inside the logarithm. There's only one logarithm with division inside of it, as opposed to the change of base formula where it's an entire logarithm divided by another entire logarithm. Okay? So I'll see students take this and write it as log base b of x over log base b of y. Okay, and that's incorrect. That's not true. That's the change of base formula, which is equal to log base y of x. Okay? So don't make that mistake. Don't confuse the second log property with the change of base formula, and then you'll realize that it's just pretty easy, and its main purpose is to convert any logarithm into common logs or natural logs. Okay?